9 skincare tips to follow before celebrating Holi 2021. Only a few days are left to celebrate festivals of colors. Happy Holi! Holi is the time to spend with family and having flavorsome delicacies like malpua, gujiyar, lassi, duska and delicious Holi special buffet. But, down in the middle of all this enjoyment and celebration, we all forget one of the most essential assets, our skin. Our skin needs the best care at this time of the year. From cleansing the face with cleansing lotion to the ultra-hydrating moisturizer, your skin requires the best skincare essentials. Along with this, you also need to take care of some other skincare practices before and after this fest. These 9 requisite skincare tips can help you to prevent your skin from nasty skin concerns you can face during playing with colors. Explore and start following these Holi tips to maintain the healness of the skin. 1. Moisturize the skin. As we all know how dry the colors of Holi, these colors can absorb the natural moisture from your skin and make your skin extremely arid. Therefore, you should need to apply hydrating moisturizer to moisten your skin before playing Holi. For this, you can choose an easily available natural oil or a good hydrating moisturizer. Be little aware while choosing moisturizer for your skin. This time of year has little warmth in the environment and wrong selection of a moisturizer can work against your skin. So, choose your moisturizer as per your skin type. Also, remember to apply moisturizer or natural oil to all the exposed skin areas. This will make a barrier between your skin and colors and prevent the natural skin oils. Thus maintains smooth and soft skin. 2. Must apply sunscreen. The next step which you should take care of is to apply sunscreen on your skin. This day your skin is confronted with harmful sun rays, pollutants and chemicals. A sunscreen embedded with antioxidants backs you up from these concerns and provides broad-range sun protection. You should go for a gel-based sunscreen as such formulations are light and don't cause tackiness or greasiness on your skin. So, 15 minutes prior to starting to play with colors, apply sunscreen. 3. Drink adequate water. Start taking adequate water intake from now onwards. It will not only help keep your inner body hydrated but your skin as well. On the day of Holi, start your day with having a glass of water and maintain this regime all day long. This will help to prevent you from dehydration. Also, start taking vitamin C rich foods and collagen rich foods in your diet. This will provide you the powerhouse of antioxidants to fight against free radicals generated by chemicals of colors. 4. Use ice cubes. Rubbing ice cubes on face is the best skincare treatment. Rubbing ice cubes for 10 minutes will help to shrink enlarged open pores. This helps to restrict the entry of harmful chemicals from penetrating into the skin. 5. Apply petroleum jelly. Make sure you are applying petroleum jelly on your lips. Like our skin, our lips also need proper care on the day of Holi. This will help to hydrate your lips and prevent it from the Holi colors. 6. Use gentle cleansing lotion. After playing Holi, how to remove Holi color from skin is the major struggle. For this, never pick harsh soaps or face washes. Always go for a hydrating face wash or gentle cleansing lotion. A gentle cleansing lotion cleans your face without drying it. 7. Remove colors using oils. If you feel that your skin is still left with some colors after rinsing your face with a good cleanser, then don't rush and wash your face again and again. Instead, use natural oils to swipe away the leftover color on your skin. Oils will remove the colors without affecting your skin texture or moisture. Avoid rubbing your skin. Apply liberal amount of oil on your face. Do a little massage and cleanse using a wet cotton pad. 8. Try natural face packs. Once you are done with face cleansing, you should try hydrating face pack afterwards. Also, keep this regime in for some days as this will help to prevent your skin from the after effects of Holi colors. Face mask like coconut oil and honey. 1 tablespoon of each ingredient and mix them well. Apply onto your face. Massage for some time and leave for about an hour. Rinse using lukewarm water. Afterwards, must apply moisturizer or aloe vera gel. Aloe vera and cucumber. First of all, cut cucumber and blend it. Now add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel in it and blend again. Take the fine paste and apply onto the face. Massage gently and leave for about 1 hour. Now rinse the face with normal water and apply face toner to feel fresh and hydrated. 9. Follow night skincare routine. Don't forget to follow a good regular night skincare routine. This will help to rejuvenate and heal your skin every night. Your skin never feels dull and you can enjoy the fest without any fear of getting any skin problem. These are some of the Holi tips for skin that you should definitely need to follow before and after Holi festival to look fresh, young and revived. Also, don't forget to follow Holi tips for hair like tie and wrap your hair in a shower cap to keep it safe from colors. Otherwise, do oiling of hair before Holi. This will help to save your hair as well. Enjoy Holi and play mindfully. Happy Holi in advance. I hope this video will help you experience healthy skin and hair derma essentia.